So hey guys, thank you for watching Tech Arena. I'm Arnav here with yet another video, and in this video we are going to review this Ulanzi MT-04 tripod. Yes, this tripod is actually meant for vloggers. So while talking about vloggers, three things they should actually take care of is their camera, mic and tripod. So often vloggers can't take big size tripods for shooting it handy while they are traveling. So they often opt to small tripods like this, which is handy and small in size. Here we have one from Ulanzi called as Ulanzi MT-04 flexible tripod, and we are going to review this in our video today. And before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel. Now let's see the review of this MT-04 flexible tripod. Now let's start with some technical specifications of this MT-04 flexible tripod. So this tripod weighs up to 272 grams and can bear up to 800 grams on top of its head. Yes, 800 grams easily comes to a DSLR with 55mm lens, which is pretty standard for a vlogger, because a vlogger is not going to carry a 5D Mark IV with a big 300mm lens always. And apart from that, I've got two mounts for this tripod. One is a regular smartphone mount, and another one, I don't know for what this is used, but this is also provided with that. And talking about the build quality of this tripod, there are different kinds of materials being used to build this tripod: stainless steel and ABS rubber. So if you take ABS rubber, its leg is fully made up of ABS rubber, which actually makes it flexible. So what's the use of this flexible tripod? Yes, there are some situations where you wanted to shoot some videos in a particular height and you don't have the height in this tripod. So what you can do is that if you find a tree, you can actually mount that onto a tree by actually folding its legs and making it sit onto a bark of a tree, which looks pretty amazing and gets you the shot you wanted to actually cover. So that's the use of the flexible leg in this tripod. And apart from that, there is a ball head on top which rotates 360 degree, as well as you can take over the head shots by tilting the head of the tripod to downside. There's one small slot for that. And overall, the build quality and the material used is really great. You can buy this tripod from the link in the description below. It costs around $20, which easily translates to 1,300 rupees in India. So the link is in the description below. You can only grab this product on AliExpress. That too, if you use my link, you can get some offers for buying this particular product. Overall, I like the build quality and the handy feel of using this tripod from Ulanzi. So if you like, please do comment below. And that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and also click the bell icon to get the notifications of our channel. Let's see in the next video.